Hello, myself Sunil Ramakrishna, and here basically we are talking about the currencies. In this, basically, we are talking about planets basically. How basically 4 or 5 planets basically can be tracked. So he told that basically this is the one possibility basically. Another possibility is basically we need to track the exact millisecond. We need to track the exact millisecond. For that, basically, what is the possibilities basically? What is the possibilities basically? Because we have tracked the 4 or 5 planets basically, but how we are going to attract that planet basically, which was actually the planet? Then basically it was actually, this was the one possibility way basically. Another, but that is going to take time basically. That will take time basically. So in that time basically it might possible that world will end many time basically. Many generation also basically might end many time basically. It might possible that, because once the time is missed, you can't do anything basically. Once the time is missed, you can't do anything basically. So for that basically each and every basically tracking is must basically. We reached up to this 4 to 5 planets, but exact planet was which basically, that's you can't track through video also basically. Once for example you have tracked the video basically, their universal time is there basically, right? That and the earth planet time, that will never match basically. Then how basically you are going to track basically? Then also basically one person told that basically we can track this through video, right, basically. Then he told that if you can track basically, for example, then basically he told that basically satellite basically has captured each and every view basically. We can just compare the log file data basically of the satellite when the earth planet was moving at this side basically. We know that these 4 or 5 planets are there basically. Then we can track now basically the this time and the video recording time basically. Then he told that basically if this is possible, then you can try this basically, like this basically the person basically told. Then also basically he told that basically then also the possibilities are basically less basically, because planets move very fast. It's very difficult to track basically. So once the time is missed, time is gone. Once the time is missed, the time is gone basically. So like this basically he told that basically the potato and tomato energy is already created, every time is already passed. Now basically the main thing is basically when the 5 crore planet basically are going to start the uh, generation, going to start the generation, going to start the generation, that time basically the tomato and potato energy is going to attract. That is the planets going to attract basically, because their planet and tomato and potato energy is already dumped there. That's already dumped na basically. That is already dumped there. Now basically the things basically same way basically earth planet also basically lots of data are dumped by the other planet. According to the NASA and ISRO basically they do the research, and then basically energy gets attract basically. Sometimes basically they say that basically we found this planet, we found those planet, that all are basically the energy basically, which have basically sent the data long before basically. Now basically after the creation of the set of human needs or basically whatever things basically was generated, that has attracted basically. So here basically one person told that basically you are sent the tomato and potato energy to the other 5 crore planet basically, right? Then basically what they are going to create from that basically energy basically. One person basically literally asked the question, because they don't know na, this is the potato energy and this is the tomato energy. Then he told that yes, exactly, you are correct here. Then how basically this energy basically they are going to use? That's basically the very dangerous question basically, which was asked by the one of the software company owner. This the World Bank was also basically listening basically, because this was also basically new for him, this because he basically was placed. Why? Because he was good in statistics, he was good in mathematics, and he was good in management side. That's why he was basically taken. And he basically told that basically I am very easily managing each and everything basic. But only one thing basically I can't do. I am still trying it. That is the Sunil R Nair job. Basically, I am trying to find, but basically I am not able to get the track basically from where basically some group basically are doing some bad thing basically. Due to that basically that Sunil R Nair is not getting the job. That much basically I am not able to track. Then one person told the asked the question basically, yeah, one person basically you can't find the one job here basically. Literally basically the universe person basically was asked this question basically. Sunil R Nair basically searching for job. You can't find one job for him here basically. He went 6 times to Mumbai basically. You are not able to find one job basically from him here. There were 35 lakh Malayalis basically staying in Mumbai basically. Not a single Malayali helped him here. 35 lakh Malayali basically are staying here in Mumbai city currently, where basically only sea water was there. That Mumbai, and that was created from the 3 lakh 50,000 crore planets basically. They have basically given that Mumbai basically, where currently 35 lakh family Malayalis basically are staying here basically. Nobody helped you here basically. Nobody helped you. 35 lakh Malayali means there is no value of Sunil R Nair basically in Mumbai basically. That was basically told by the Mumbai city basically, by the Malayalis basically. That means this whole energy basically was generated in that tomato and potato planet basically. When time will come, that time basically it's going to attract. When time will come basically, that time basically it's going to attract to each and every place basically. Each and every place basically it's going to attract. But planet will never attract, because rule basically says that universe basically planets to planets basically never going to attract, but energy is going to attract. Astro stone also basically never attracts until basically they throw it basically in the earth planet. That is the only way basically they attract. But in real basically this never get attract basically. Somebody is going to come to earth planet, then they will give the indication that basically I am coming. They basically give the indication through this basically, like this basically. For example, in Russia basically, do you remember one astronaut basically has one astrostone basically was blast. That was actually some indication by some universe group basically that we are coming in the earth planet. That basically Russia basically might be knowing, because that was indication to Russia basically. That was indication to the Russia basically. That's why basically they directly throw to the Russia basically, because the Russian group basically might be knowing that, because they are basically master in the software industry basically. They are basically master in the software. They know basically text box equal to 1,000 city. They know text box equal to 1,000 combo box currently where are, and they basically know that 20 percentage 20% the global warming 100% basically global warming 20 percentage are basically from education side basically. And these people basically who are taking the education, they know basically everything. This 20 percentage the people basically who gets the more percentage, they are spreading more basically global warming energy basically. But that is basically going to harm. But they are basically studying basically the poor people basically what they can do. They know basically the global warming, this warming, that warming. They don't know. But more study, more global warming. This has basically somebody has proved this basically. Who basically that basically need to track. This was basically forcefully done, or basically it was intentionally basically created by someone that basically we need to track basically. Because this from this basically lots of crores of planet basically are also generated. That is basically different topic basically. In next video we are going to see a little bit more